Shiromani Akali Dal (SAD) leader and five-time former Punjab Chief Minister Prakash Singh Badal on Thursday returned the Padma Vibhushan Award in protest against the farm laws amid the ongoing farmers' agitation. The Government of India awarded him the Padma Vibhushan, second highest civilian award, in 2015. In a letter to President Ramnath Kovind, Badal said, "I write this letter to return the Padma Vibhushan Award in protest against the betrayal of the farmers by the Government of India and against the shocking indifference and contempt with which the government is treating the ongoing peaceful and democratic agitation of the farmers against the Farm Acts." When the Government of India had brought the ordinances, assurances were given that the farmers' apprehensions on these ordinances would be addressed to their satisfaction while bringing the relevant bills and subsequently the acts. Trusting these assurances, I even appealed to the farmers to believe the government's word. But I was shocked when the government simply went back on its word, he wrote. That was the most painful and embarrassing moment in my long political career. I just cannot put in words the emotional stress which I have been going through since then. I have truly begun to wonder why has the government of the country become so heartless, so cynical and so ungrateful towards the farmers. I have decided to return this honor in protest against the government's betrayal of the farmers on the three acts in question. The farmers of my state and country are out on the streets agitating against these acts in this cold winter far away from their homes. And I feel so poor that at this stage of my life, I do not have much else to sacrifice to express solidarity with the farmers' cause. This is perhaps the hour for the country to repay the debt it owes to its farmers, Badal wrote. Former Akali Dal leader Sukhdev Singh Dhindsa has also returned his Padma Bhushan to protest against the government. Meanwhile, the agitating farmers have entered the second round of talks with the centre in Delhi even as hundreds of farmers continue to camp on the Delhi borders.